Hi, Chavweather here with a video looking at torrential floods in the Iranian city of Mahabad on November the 3rd, 2021. Heavy rain caused streets to fill with water, cutting off transport routes and washing vehicles away. Homes were damaged by the floods as residents were displaced. Landslides were reported as floods came from nearby mountainous areas. Rescue operations are now in place to repair damage caused and reopen roads. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.